there's a photocell and a potentiometer, and the photocell has one more resistor to do a voltage divider network, and they're pushed, and it goes into one analog input, and the potentiometer goes into another analog input, and there's one output, an LED, connected to a resistor. So then I have the Arduino code, which is basically sending out these two analog values and listening for bytes coming back to turn this off or on. And that's in the PDE file I sent. So, for example, here's a tweak button, and when you push it, it does a send command through the serial port. And as I push down, it lights up. It's just a momentary. A single value with a single send command here. Send serial N1 value, and this just strips off any delimiters like line feeds and carriage returns, which we don't need. And coming in from the Arduino, we use the same serial indat, and we see that it's sending these two messages that I've programmed it to do. So I've given it a specific format where each analog input outputs a label and then a number, and using a couple DATs, well, I just grabbed the first row to keep it simple, and I split it into cells using the space and the equals as delimiters. So, and then I convert it into a chop. So all that is just to have the Arduino name the channels and the values that are coming in. So if I put my hand over, you can see that the values are 0 to 10, 23. If I put my hand over the light sensor, you'll see the first one change. And if I change the potentiometer, you'll see the other one change. So then it's just a matter of taking these values and doing whatever you want with them. And here I just take each value and I split it, and I remap it to a suitable range to drive some parameters on this noisy blob. So if you look, if I put my hand over the light sensor, it settles down with the lag. And if I turn the knob, I'm just changing the speed that the noise is going through to very slowly, and then I crank it all the way up, and it oscillates a lot quicker. So that's it, two-way communication between Arduino and the TouchDesigner.